Hey guys, welcome back to another daily vlog. It is Wednesday, 11:26 a.m. I don't know what it is, but I remember I told you guys on Mondays I usually sleep in, but for the past couple of days, actually since having him, I've been more or less sleeping in every single day. So even on the days when I have classes, I would sleep up until like the very moment when it's time to like get up and just do a quick prep and then jump into classes. And on days when I don't have classes, I've literally been sleeping until like 10 a.m. So we have our littlest boy here. We also have our biggest boy. He's having his cereal. He just fell asleep on the boob, so I'm about to put him down. I'm just gonna get my tea started because I feel like I just need my tea. I just need my tea to really get going. I was contemplating to have a matcha latte this morning because I do have the ceremonial grade green tea, not green tea, sorry. The ceremonial grade matcha powder from Timi. So I do use that matcha powder to make my matcha lattes. However, I don't have any condensed milk. On Monday night, when I went to do the light groceries, I actually didn't get my regular supermarket open. I didn't catch them open in time, so I ended up just doing some quick groceries in this random Chinese grocery. And the prices were ridiculous. So I just got the things that I knew Aiden, our biggest boy, needed right away. So like just the regular stuff, his bread, his crackers, his cereal, things like that. But the things that I actually need to replenish, I did not want to get it there because it was ridiculously overpriced. So we still have a grocery haul to do. Y'all could hold me to it. But I think we're good in the interim. So let's do a quick map out of what today is going to look like. I'm having my tea. I have the student certificates to design. I have a couple tweaks to do to the current design, but I feel like I might just redesign the entire thing. I need to hop on a call with my general manager because we're planning a pop-up shop as we speak. What else? I have a couple major emails that I need to respond to, as well as I was actually looking up last night, like late into last night, I was looking up how to like reach out to different brands and things like that, because like we typically invest in a lot of different brands that we love. So example, Timi. And it'll be really dope to actually like work with these brands on a long-term basis. So I was actually looking up like how to structure a brand email to like reach out to different brands. So that is what I'm going to be doing today as well. I also want to go down to the pool. I want to take the boys down to the pool. Baby daddy, he came over for a few days, so he literally left this morning. So it's just the boys and I right now. So I don't know. The sun is really, really hot right now, so I'm not going to take them down to the pool when the sun is this hot. I'll probably wait till it gets a little bit cool. But that's the thing, like because we're in rainy season right now, the weather is kind of like really, really crazy. So it's like constantly raining, and when it's not raining, it's really, really hot. Like so hot that it's gonna scorch their skin. We can't really. I wouldn't advise anybody to go out in this type of heat. But for the majority of the day, it's like always raining. So we'll see. Let's put down our littlest boy and get the day started. Before we talk about anything, before we jump into the meat of what this day is gonna look like, baby, let's just have a quick conversation about my lashes. Because where they are though, my lashes have literally been non-existent since before I went into labor with my tiniest boy. I need to wax my upper lip. I did a quick pluck of my brows like 2 days ago because I didn't want to grace you guys with my presence looking like a hot mess. But I really need to get my lashes done because my face literally feels super naked without it. How about my tummy is really getting there? I'm not wearing any cincher or anything. My tummy is more or less getting there. I mean, it's still very discolored for the most part. So I'm really gonna work on the discoloration. So guys, for the most part, I think we're doing what we're supposed to do. I'm going to do another workout today, but instead of pulling up a video on YouTube, I am going to more or less just kind of wing it and kind of do what my body feels like doing. But I'm going to go a lot harder. So let's go ahead and get all work done for the day.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love, love, love. Feel the love, I feel the love. I feel the love, I feel the love. I feel the love, Baby, what's your number? I wanna go under. Making you a memory, that's really all I need. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel love, I feel love, I feel love, I feel
Alright guys, so quickest makeup of life. It is the next day. I literally do not know what has happened yesterday, but I more or less jumped into an afternoon filled with work yesterday. We did not go to the pool. I did not do any organization of my filming room. And I was more or less on a call with my general manager up until about 3 a.m. this morning. So it's Thursday. I literally slept in this morning. I got up literally when it was just time to do a quick prep and jump into classes. So I already had my first session for the morning. I am doing a quick makeup and outfit because I want to get some pictures today. And then I'm going to jump straight into my second class for the afternoon. So yeah, my makeup is more or less done. I'm just going to blend the parts of my face that is currently baking. And we're going to jump into our outfit, get some photos. I'm definitely making a matcha latte this morning. I already had one really early this morning, but we're going to have another one because baby, I need all the energy that I could possibly get. I need it. So that's what we're about to jump into. Let me get my face done. I'll touch base with you guys when I am getting dressed, and let's see what the rest of this day has to offer.
No fui el primero, ni seré el último, pero sé que lo gozaré. Para serte sincero, un Dios el que te enseñó lo que puedes hacer con mi piel. Baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad. Solo yo sé de ese lunar, solo tú comes el pastel. Con un estilo siempre te vas, pero te vienes con placer. Me dijiste no quiero nada, pero quieres todo, mujer. Baby, yo te hago soñar algo más rico que la miel, mi droga que te legalicen. No digamos el pecado, que hay cosas que no se dicen. Que la piel tú y yo jugando, baby, ¿para qué te dices? Y tú solo dices que quieres más, que matemos la curiosidad. Eso hacemos, baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar.
So I just got done with classes. My last student literally just left, so I'm about to get this place cleaned and sanitized and more or less organized for tomorrow's session. I want to get a workout in because I promised myself that I was going to do a workout yesterday. Maybe that workout never happened. And I feel somewhat guilty because I really wanted to do the workout yesterday. But I ended up I started working, and then one thing just kind of led into another, and I ended up working for the entire afternoon, well into the night. So as soon as I'm done cleaning up here, I want to jump into a really, really intense workout. I want to feel the burn in my legs. I want to feel the burn in my abs. I want to literally feel like I put in a really, really good workout. Alright, so that's on the agenda for tonight. I'm not going to push this vlog too long because I actually want to get it edited and posted at least by 11 p.m. and it's currently 9 p.m. So, yeah. Today has been a really, really long day, but I'm not surprised because that's usually how my days go when I'm teaching. My classes start from 9 a.m. I run 3 sessions every single, not every single, but I run 3 sessions for the entire day from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. And most times my sessions kind of like bleed into one another. So once I get started, most times when I actually log off for the day, it's like, oh wow, the day just came and flew by. So I'm kind of used to it by now, but most times at the end of the day, I'm pretty drained. I'm happy that I was able to get a picture up though. I took the pictures earlier. I got them posted to Instagram. I'm saying them like it was a lot. It was literally just one photo. So I'm still kind of easing my way back into like taking outfit pictures, and it felt kind of awkward. Not really awkward, but it because I haven't taken photos of myself in so long, it just felt a little bit strange when I was taking the pictures earlier, but I'm happy I at least got like one good photo. So I got that posted, and I think I'm getting my groove back. I'm slowly kind of just, weaning myself back into what I love doing. So yeah, that's why I didn't get this place cleaned up. That's enough rambling. Alright guys, so our 2 boys are awake. Our littlest boy is here. Our biggest boy is eating a sandwich right over there. And I'm eating as well because I'm starving. I'm drinking the pineapple detox water that I made on Monday, 2 days ago. But I think I'll more or less just kind of end the vlog off here. I'm gonna do my workout when I put them to bed. So when they're asleep, I'm gonna jump into my workout, but I'll probably be like in a separate vlog, or I'll probably film that as a separate video. But I'm closing this vlog off here. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next one.